This is a tutorial about making virtual geological field trips. In my very limited experience, I will share a few tips that I've picked up that have helped. So after you've decided on what topic you're going to speak about and you've written out a bit of a script for yourself about what you'd like to talk about, in Google Earth you need to make some place markers. You can see in your place window over here, you need to populate it. So we're going to go up here and add place marks. So for example, my tour starts at the Wits Geosciences. So if I click on this, I type in the name, and you can't actually see my marker now because I've changed the color, but if I make it bright, it is over here. And so drag it if you need to move it around. Don't close your window. If you close your window, you lose the ability to move it around. So if I'm going to place it there, you're welcome to keep a bright color, but I didn't want to notice where my place markers were, so I just changed it to this symbol and made it a hang of a lot smaller, so 0.1. Okay, and click OK, and then you can't see it on your map if you click OK, but it's listed here under your place markers. Okay, so I'm going to just delete that because I didn't use it. So, for example, I started at the School of Geosciences. I then moved to the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. I then zoomed in on the ridge, I zoomed in on transform fault, and I loaded some other features that I had. So, for example, if I type here Mid-Atlantic Ridge, and I click search, it's going to zoom for me. From what I can, okay, I'm just going to stop it zooming in. From what I can understand, like for example, if I want a zoomed out version, as long as I zoom out and then put the place marker now, it takes into account the height at which I'm viewing the screen. So you do all of your place markers, and then you change their shape so they don't show up too much. I've found these files online for all the volcanoes in the ocean. I drew in this transform fault to draw attention to it. So if you want to draw in a shape, you could add a path here or add a polygon. Pretty similar to adding a place marker, except here I clicked along the transform fault to create it. And then you're pretty sorted to start recording. So this is where I ran into some issues, but I have a feeling it's my computer because I can't find that other people online had a similar issue. And so there's different ways of recording from what I can understand. So at the top here it says record a tour. So when you record a tour, I think it'll save it as a KMZ or KML, so you can really only view a tour in Google Earth. So I didn't use this because I wanted this to be a video that people can view elsewhere. There's something else you can do here. Go Tours and Movie Maker. And here you can choose different options. So do you want it to start recording when you move your mouse and keyboard? What is your resolution? Where you're going to save it? If you click on advanced, you can choose options. So I did see one video where a guy actually just recorded it as an image stream and then imported it into a video editing software. But I wanted to do this as quick and dirty as I could. So I did this. I must admit, it didn't record my audio, and I have absolutely no idea how to check where it's getting my audio from, because even when I did tours, so let me click on tours here, you'll see this option comes up. So red is for recording your tour, and this is for recording your audio. I cannot figure out how to get audio. It just doesn't work. So I must admit, I did the lazy option. I used APowerSoft. So I love APowerSoft. So if you go into Google and you type AP and then Power, Soft, all one word, and then free, you will be able to download it here from the website. So it's a free online screen recorder. I just want to check because it says online. Yeah, I would go this one even if I type CNET. I'm just a bit skeptical of the fact that it says free online screen recorder. I think we just want a free screen recorder. We don't want online. But I could be very wrong. So I often go to the site CNET when I want to download stuff. I'm told it's very secure. Download it here. This is what your icon will look like. So once you've downloaded it to your computer, anytime you want to find it, you just type APowerSoft. It comes up here. It sometimes takes a little bit of time to load. I think it's because I'm actually running it already, recording this video. So it will show up in your bottom right hand corner here. I'm just going to click on it so you can see. Let's see if I can open up the toolbar. Okay. Let's show toolbar. Okay, so when you start it, there's an option that shows your microphone. You need to click on it and select a microphone, otherwise you're not going to be recording your audio. And there's also a drop-down menu, which I can't show you because it's busy recording, where you can select your screen size. So currently I'm doing full screen, but as soon as you start it, the software, it will only zoom into a small part of your screen, and then you either need to choose full screen or to drag. I'm not sure if they'll actually show it here. Probably not. And so you don't actually have to record your full screen. You could just, what I did was just zoom, into this smaller window here in Google Earth so that I didn't get all these icons around it. And then you push record. It gives you 3 seconds to compose yourself. And then you record, and then you click stop and save. And then that's how I found the easiest way of doing it. It then saves it into under my documents. I'll show you here. Documents. There's an aPowerSoft folder that it creates, and it puts it inside of that, and it's in WMP. I'm sure you could go change the format. And then I just upload it to YouTube. So that's the easiest way I've found to do tours, but feel free to do whatever works for you.